In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in Wrike. Changing a task's status in Wrike is a simple action, but it's also one of the most important things you can do to keep your projects organized and your team informed. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do it, and I'll also give you a bit of context so you understand what's happening and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace, and you've opened the project, folder, or specific task you want to update. You'll usually be looking at a list of tasks, a board view, or a detailed task view. No matter which view you're in, every task has a status, such as new, in progress, completed, or any custom status your team uses. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to the status area for the task you want to change. If you're in a list or table view, you'll typically see the current status displayed in a column. If you're viewing a single task, you'll see the status near the top of the task panel, next to the task name, or just underneath it. Take a moment to locate that current status label, because that is what you're going to interact with. Once you've found it, click directly on the status. This click is what opens up the status menu. When the menu appears, you'll see all the available statuses that have been configured for that particular workflow in your account. These might include basic options like active, on hold, or completed, or more specific ones your team has set up, such as design review, waiting for client, or ready for deployment. Now, simply select the status that best reflects where the task currently stands. You do this by clicking on the status name from the list. As soon as you select it, Wrike will update the task automatically. You'll see the new status appear in place of the old one, and anyone else viewing that task will also see the update in real time. It's a good habit to update the status whenever something meaningful changes with the task, like when you start working on it, pause it, or finish it. Keeping statuses accurate helps everyone stay aligned, reduces confusion, and makes your project reports far more reliable. And that's all there is to it. Go to the status, click on it, and select the new one that fits.